there is a chance that Bitcoin can rule the financial world somewhere down the line, or, rise to a position of great prominence like all of the world's major asset classes. And then there's a chance that it could flop. But just putting a probability on the first outcome, if you say it's a 50-50 chance or a 20% chance or whatever percent chance there is, if you put a decent probability on that, you come up with a present value on Bitcoin that is, significantly higher than the current value? Is that the idea?
Yeah, exactly. I don't make price predictions because the one thing I know about Bitcoin is that I'm definitely going to be wrong about the price, right? But my base case on that model, it's Bitcoin at $620,000, right? Today, at today's price. So if I'm correct, my probabilities are correct. Bitcoin should be trading at $600,000 and not at $60,000 that is trading right now.
And that $620,000 value, that implies, what kind of probability that Bitcoin will achieve what kind of prominence?
Yeah. So the good news is I actually created a web app for this on the nakamotoportfolio.com website that you can go there and you can actually change your probabilities,
Okay,
right?
I got a swirly thing in the middle, and
Just
I'll click
click in the
Discover.
middle to start. Yeah.
So, okay, Bitcoin's, so that's a 9, it says here 9x. That's a 9-fold gain from where we are
So
now.
you see on the right-hand side, real estate, just click there on that arrow and it will show you like that the market value is $320 trillion, right? And then the monetary premium price here in this model is 30%, right? And there's a probability of capturing of 5%. So on my base case, I'm only saying that in 20 years, Bitcoin only has a 5% probability of capturing what I say is a 30% monetary premium in real estate. And this is, I think it's conservative.
So you're saying that real estate is collectively worth $320 trillion. And you believe that 30% of that is like a store of value, like not just people buying the sticks and stones and then the utility and the shelter, but people saying this is part of my financial assets. And you're saying that you have built into your model a 5% chance that Bitcoin will, over 20 years, achieve that same store of value use as real estate.
That's correct.
Got it.
You see what it says, estimated probability of capture? There's a slider on the bottom.
Yeah.
Slide that to the right and notice the price of Bitcoin on the top in orange.
So if you slide the probability up, the price of Bitcoin goes up. So if we're at 10%, then that's about a $621,000 Bitcoin price. If we double that and go to 20%, then we're at $735,000 on Bitcoin. And we could make similar adjustments for all these assets that you have here.
Classes.
And you have stocks, bonds, gold, silver, real estate, which we've just tinkered with, and then all the other cryptocurrencies beside Bitcoin, and then fine art you also have.